Very good morning and welcome to the day 6 of 9-day mind management challenge. Today let's discuss about hobbies and how they can help you to take your mind power to the next level. First, I would like to share some of the benefits which will be accrued by having some hobby. Now, some of the benefits are here. One is it helps in breaking the monotony. In today's busy world, people have no time for themselves and they just do things in a robotic manner. The moment you have a hobby, it will help you to break the monotony, and it will help you to take time for yourself. At the end of the day, if you sit down and think, probably you've done something for your family, something for the economy, something for the society, something for the country, something for the world maybe. But the question is, what have you done for yourself? All right. By taking time out for yourself, you'll be able to do something for yourself. That's what one of the best things which the hobby can do for you. The next one is reduce stress. When you're in a hobby, it'll help you to be with yourself and it'll actually reduce stress. And other one is promote mindfulness. When you're involved in a hobby, it's like you're completely into it. I spoke to a couple of artists and they told me that they can paint somewhere about 2 to 3 hours continuously, and they're in a kind of meditative state. They don't need anything else, they're one with the painting. And that's true with any of the hobbies. If you're involved into that, that's where the mindfulness is promoted. Apart from that, there are a lot of other benefits, like your confidence will improve, you will go to the next level, your productivity will improve, and a lot of other things. But these four are very, very important to talk about. Now, let me give some ideas on what to. It can be physical hobbies, maybe something like trekking, maybe jogging, or something like physical. Or it can be a creative hobby, something like pottery, or maybe art. Or it can be self-help, maybe solving puzzles, or maybe reading a book. Or it could be even social, maybe volunteering for something which is a higher cause. You can pick any of those things and spend some time, and by spending some time you will be getting a lot of benefits. Now, how to, let's say for example, some people do not have a hobby or they have forgotten their hobby. So here is how you can figure out your hobby. First, try to identify what you enjoy the most. What is that you enjoy the most? The second thing which you have to identify is time at disposal. How much time can you allocate yourself in terms of hobby? If you don't get into that, maybe some hobbies need a lot of time, some maybe needing a less time, so you have to match how much time is available at that benefit. And then the third one is, what benefits are you looking at? Are you looking for physical fitness, or I mean, what kind of benefit are you looking for from the hobby? And based on that, you can choose some hobby. And coming back to today's challenge, one is identify or pick a hobby. Today, please spend some time with yourself and identify what's your hobby. If you don't have an hobby, or if you're not able to identify, now create one hobby. And second thing is, spend at least 20 minutes doing that. Now, whatever is your hobby, spend at least 20 minutes doing that hobby. Third one I would like to recommend is schedule it in a calendar, maybe thrice in a week, or maybe if it is a smaller one, maybe every day, or maybe once in a week. No, the hobby is something like the call from inside. You have to allocate some time, and if you schedule it in the calendar, you will be able to really take time out. Otherwise, people get lost in the daily work and daily schedules, and the hobby always remains a last priority. And the last one I'd like to share is, teach or share. Whatever you have learned today, teach at least to one person or share this information to other people. So you'll be helping them and to go to the next level, and it'll also help you become better in whatever you're teaching. So this is day 6 hobbies, and I would like you to like, share, comment, and if you have any challenge, you can always mention it in the comment section. So I'll be able to pick it up for one of the other days which is left over. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Thanks again.